Hello students, I am Sonal Pathak from our official YouTube channel My College Buddy. I hope that you are doing great. So आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं मानव रचना इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड स्टडीज फरीदाबाद. Earlier this university was known as मानव रचना इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी. अगर हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के एस्टैब्लिशमेंट की बात करें, so this university was established in the year 1997. This university has been approved by UGC and NBA, which offers UG, PG and PhD level courses. अगर हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के रैंकिंग की बात करें, so this university stands on 105th rank in engineering by NIRF in 2022, and this university has been rated 5-star for teaching as well. As per Times B School Survey 2020, this university stands in top 5 B schools in India. अब हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के कोर्सेज एंड एलिजिबिलिटी की बात कर लेते हैं. For PGDM General, the eligibility is graduation with 55% of marks, which will be followed by entrance test and personal interview round, and the fees structure is 5.3 lakh for 3 years. For BTech course, the eligibility is 10+2 with 45% marks, which will be followed by JEE mains. For BA and BA honors, the eligibility is 10+2 with valid score. For MSc course, the eligibility is BSc with 55% of marks. For MBA course, the eligibility is graduation with 50% marks, which will be followed by valid score in CAT and MAT. अगर हम admission procedure की बात करें, so the admission procedure is online mode. You can visit the official website of the university, which has been mentioned in the description and which has been shown on the screen as well. अगर हम facilities की बात करें, so here in the university you can get hostel facility, Wi-Fi connectivity and meals facility, etc. अगर हम इस university के campus area की बात करें, so the campus area is too big, which is spread over 60 acres. अब हम इस university के faculty की बात कर लेते हैं. So here the faculty are more than 40 and they are highly experienced and educated. अगर हम placements की बात करें, so around 70% students were placed in computer science and around 90% of the students were recruited in the high big leading companies. अगर हम top recruiters की बात करें, so the top recruiters are Extramarks, LinkedIn, Amazon, Nokia, etc. Now the last point is how to reach this university. So this university is located in Sector 43, Aravali Hills, Surajkund Road, Faridabad, Haryana, India. So I hope that you got all the relevant informations about Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, Faridabad. So for any query, you can comment in the comment box and you can subscribe to our channel, My College Buddy.